So for today's video, I'm going to install the GRX pedal for my Cerebello Aspero. Okay, I've been using this flat pedal for a while that comes when I purchased this bike, but I'm going to have a race this weekend, so I'm going to replace it with a proper clipless pedal. I've also been using this flat shoes for mountain bike, but I have this one as well. Okay, so let's go and install it. We're also going to check the weight of each pedal for wheels. Okay, so here are the pedals for the GRX. It's almost the same as Jory XT. The only difference is it has a GRX marking on it, which add additional $10. For the removal of my pedal, I'll be using this 6 hex. Okay, so when you're removing the pedal, always stand at the back and pull it on your side. Like this. Okay, let's try it again. Now this time in a flatter. So for the GRX is 170, 169 rounds. And for the flat pedal, it's 174. 175 grams. So a bit lighter. 175. 166. Okay, now time to remove the pedal from the other side. So insert this hex and pull it on. Yo, wait. But I cannot do it just using one hand. Okay, now that both pedals are removed, time to install the new ones. So make sure that the pedals are lubricated, so I will be using this grease that I have before installing it here. Now that it's already have a grease, it's time to install. So apparently Shimano is using a slightly bigger hex, so I'll be using the 8-inch for the GRX. You can also find an indicator if this is the left or right pedal. So this one is the right, and this should be the left. Okay, one pedal is done. Second pedal is done too. Okay, I will be testing it, and that's it. Thanks for watching.